There are tons of Google Chrome extensions out there that can enhance your browser in various ways. They include specific extensions and tools for web designers, writers, gamers, and users who want to improve their productivity. Some extensions can improve the user experience of absolutely anyone, like security extensions for Google Chrome. These can include virus scanners, extensions that protect you from malware, ad blockers, anti-tracking extensions that help you maintain your privacy, and more. These are our picks for the best security extensions for Chrome. Avast Online Security. Avast Online Security is the first Chrome security extension we recommend you install. It's a standalone security extension from Avast that doesn't require an Avast license, so you can use it in Chrome for free. Avast is among the most trusted antiviruses out there, so you can be sure this extension will protect your online activity from malware and other security threats. It also blocks web trackers that try to spy on your activity and protects your data from being collected by advertisers. Adblock Plus. Another free browser extension that helps you block viruses, malware, and ads that track you is Adblock Plus. This extension blocks pop-up ads, video ads, social media ads, banner ads, and other ads that disrupt your workflow. By default, Adblock Plus doesn't block what it deems as acceptable ads. These are less intrusive ads that websites use to provide the content for free. However, you can change the setting manually to block all ads. HTTPS everywhere. The HTTPS, that's Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, ensures that your login information and other personal data are encrypted when you browse the web. Unfortunately, not all websites have made the switch from a less secure protocol to HTTPS. HTTPS Everywhere is a Chrome extension that automatically applies this encryption when you open websites that don't provide it. This can help prevent people from spying on you while you're browsing. UVPN. A VPN Chrome extension is essential for anyone who cares about their online security. UVPN is a free extension that helps you browse websites securely by keeping your IP and location private. The free version includes 2 free locations that you can choose UPVN to connect you to: Germany and Spain. Other locations are available in various subscription plans. UVPN also allows you to bypass geographical restrictions and unblock websites that you couldn't access from your own location. Disconnect. Want to see who's tracking you online? Disconnect is an anti-tracking extension for Google Chrome that helps you find out which trackers a website is using and for what purpose: analytics, advertising, social media, and so on. Disconnect automatically blocks the most harmful trackers, and you can choose to block the rest manually. For 5 more great security extensions, check out the article linked in the description below. See you next time.